Okay, so we're having a party to celebrate Cats versus Pickles. So everyone show your bags, please. So let's read the name of what cat is on your bag. So mine is Pawberry. Grace, what's yours?
Sandy.
Annalie and Ayla, what's yours?
Puzzle cat.
And Isaac and Molly, what's yours?
Smarty Pants.
Smarty Pants.
Okay, so now that we've seen, we are going to let someone unbox it. I'm gonna let Grace, Griffin, and Ella start the unboxing.
Go ahead. Okay. It's wait, what is this? It's a cookie. It's a cookie.
Okay, don't eat it yet.
Mm-hmm.
That is, let me see. That one is Jelly Bean. You got the Jelly Bean cookie.
It's so cute.
All right, pull out another thing from your bag. You got Miss Bumble Kitty. You got Miss Bumble Kitty. Miss Bumble Kitty as your cookie. And let Ella pull out another thing.
Oh, it's so cute. It's a little plushie. It is.
What's her cat? What's her tag?
Fish. She is so shy, she can be positively coy.
Is there anything else in your bag?
There's one more thing.
All right, pull it out together.
Pull it all together. All right, we want to unwrap it. I want to. Look at that.
What's its name?
Its name is Sprinkles. This kitty is so sweet. She will meow your heart.
Sprinkles. All right, is that everything in your bag?
Yeah, there's also a collector's manual. That's it.
Keep the collector's manual for a game.
All right.
All right. Now, Annalie and Ayla and Adeline, go. All right. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, read the tag on him.
Mint Chippy, ice cream with cat food.
Okay, that kitty is... Hey, it's Sandy! You got Sandy! The one that Grace got on her bag.
Wait, what? Oh!
She got the Sandy cookie. All right, what did you get? He's so cute. Okay, and his name is the Great Catsby. All right, there's one more thing in your guys' bag. Pull it out together. The cat joke is funny. All right, now I'm going last, so it's Molly and Isaac's turn. You got a little cookie. Okay, Isaac, hold it up to the camera. You got Angel Cat. You're gonna eat an Angel Cat cookie.
Oh, his eyes are here.
Woo. Read his tag.
Galacticat. Smart, spacey, and over the moon with catitude.
All right, Isaac, it's your turn to pull something out of the bag.
Mr.
Mr. Argyle.
History book favorite to read.
Well, I continue. History books are his favorite to read.
Mr. Argyle. History books are his favorite to read.
Well, you think it's
You got zombie cat.
Oh.
You want the zombie?
Yes, I want the zombie.
Yes.
All right, I guess now it's my turn.
Red, look.
Okay. Okay, I got a pickle. I got a little pickle.
Aw.
I got Joe. I got Joe the pickle cookie. I'm gonna eat a pickle. I got a sprinkles.
Oh, it's so cute.
Cookie. All right, and then
Ooh, we just put this on the box.
I got a Bumble Cat. Okay, wait. I got Miss Bumble Kitty. She is full of catitude and loves to send a zigger. And my last one is it's a Mer Kitty. Loves to swim under the sea for cat. It loves to swim under the sea for cat. It's so cute. Okay, that's everything. We can play charades now. Pull out your little paper of all the kitties. Okay. So,
Yes.
okay.
Sorry, our real cat came.
So everyone is going to pick a cat and try to act out what kind of cat it is. So who wants? Okay, and all the other people are gonna try to guess. So who's going first?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna mute you guys. So pick a cat and give me a thumbs up when you pick one, and you're gonna act it out. Okay? Cat out.
Brains.
We're gonna eat all the pickles.
Isaac, do you have a guess?
Yep.
Okay, Isaac, you guessed it, so you get to go. Pick a cat.
Snow cat.
Cool.
Yep. It's snow
Okay.
cat.
Well, you guys, wait.
Okay, so tell them to pick who goes next.
Okay, pick who goes next. Me or Annalie, Ayla, and Adeline.
Ayla, Emily, and Adeline.
Okay, pick a cat, guys, and act it.
Okay, they're going. Sandy?
Are you
It's
Mercat?
Narwhal.
Are you Mercat?
You got it, Logan.
Oh,
You got it.
okay. Let me pick a cat. Okay. Okay.
Sandy?
Aloha cat. Aloha cat.
Aloha, cat. Everyone cheer for each other.
Yeah!
Yay! And now, guess what time it is, guys?
What?
It's time to play with our cats and eat cookies.
Yay! Grace calls out.
Okay, so the pickles.
Start with North.
So on the back of them, they have a little cat and pickle heart.
I think that's adorable.
Oh yeah, and there's a code. You can scan this code, and then you can play the game. You can play Cats versus Pickles because it's a video game that you can play. Yeah, if you scan the code, you can download the app. And I'm gonna eat a sprinkle cat.
I'm gonna download it as soon as we.
Eat it. Logan!
Hold up your cats one more time. I have 3 because I have Junior Pickle too. Yay! Everyone, have throw a party with your cats. Cat party!